that they don't know. There are people who are connected to the fish people. These fish people have two webbed hands and two webbed feet. They have the faces of a fish and a human-like body structure. Credo Mutwa even made little sculptures of how these beings look like. These are the creatures that are known as the Nomo or the Ngumu. Both these words are actually Zulu words. Nomo is a Zulu term for these fish-like creatures. There are four main varieties of these fishes, of these beings, basically. It's the dolphins, the mermaids or mermen, the whales, and the Nomo. The dolphins taught humans about arts and science. The mermaids taught humans about beauty and love. The whales taught humans about spirituality and God. And the Nomo, they taught humans about their origins and their history among the stars. As a result, they also taught humans about astrology and astronomy, among other things. The fishes, in their varieties, have always been teachers of humanity from a very long time ago. They are the elders to us humans and even to the reptilians. So the initiates of this cloth are taught and are activated directly by these underwater fish beings.